Hi all, this is a return to one of the first systems that I did a video for on my channel. It's the HP Compaq 6200 micro tower. What I've done is I've upgraded the CPU to an i7-2600. Now that CPU is the highest rated that motherboard will take. So that's in there now. And I've upgraded the graphics card to a Gigabyte GTX 1050 Ti. Again, that is probably the highest rated card that motherboard will take, or should I say power supply. It might take a GTX 1650, but for the budget that my friend has, that 1050 Ti is more than enough. And I think any higher rated card would be bottlenecked by the CPU anyway. Now, one problem I did have is I reinstalled Windows 10, which is always good practice with an upgrade like this. When I was installing the operating system, an error message popped up which stated that Windows could not update the computer's boot configuration. There are various ways around that, including some manual configuration, but I decided to do it properly. So what I did is I upgraded the BIOS, which was version 2.06 to 2.09. That didn't resolve the issue, so then I upgraded a step up to BIOS version 2.14, which resolved it. Now, it's always good practice if you need to update the BIOS, is to do it in steps rather than say leap from one version to another. And if the specific problem you've got is resolved, then I'd stop there. Good thing with HP is they still have the files available from their website. What you need to do in this case is select Windows 7 as the operating system, and you'll download an exe and run the exe, which puts all the files into a folder. All you need is the bin file, so drop that onto a USB stick, boot, and then browse to it from the BIOS and just update it that way. And I've tested this system, and everything seems to be working just fine. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any questions about this upgrade, just drop me a comment.